Hello everyone, welcome back.
The deployment of the USS Abraham Lincoln, CV-72, to the Arabian Sea has become a defining image of renewed great power signaling in the Middle East, where naval presence functions as both deterrent and diplomatic leverage. A Nimitz-class nuclear aircraft carrier is more than a warship. It is a floating airbase capable of sustained combat operations, intelligence gathering, and rapid response across thousands of miles. By positioning such a platform within operational reach of Iran, Washington sent a calibrated message to allies and adversaries alike. Maritime security, energy transit routes, and regional stability remain core U.S. interests backed by visible military capability. That strategic signaling moved from posture to action when a U.S. Navy F-35C launched from the carrier shot down an Iranian unmanned aerial vehicle that approached the strike group. U.S. military officials described the drone's movement as unsafe and lacking clear intent, while Iran framed the flight as routine surveillance in international airspace. This clash of narratives is emblematic of modern gray zone competition, where states operate below the threshold of open war, yet deliberately test each other's reactions. In such an environment, a drone's flight path can carry the same political weight as a missile launch. The incident illustrates how a show of force is not merely symbolic, but operationally binding. When a carrier strike group enters a contested theater, its defensive perimeter becomes a red line enforced by aircraft, sensors, and rules of engagement. Allowing an unidentified drone to probe that space without response could weaken deterrence credibility, not only toward Iran, but toward other observers assessing U.S. resolve. The shotdown therefore served a dual function: immediate force protection and reinforcement of the broader deterrent message underpinning the deployment. Yet the event also highlights the dangers inherent in high-visibility power projection. As unmanned systems proliferate and operate with speed and ambiguity, the window for interpretation shrinks. A surveillance mission to one side may appear as targeting preparation to the other. With diplomatic negotiations over regional security and nuclear issues continuing in parallel, such military encounters risk hardening positions just as political channels attempt to ease tensions. Ultimately, the Abraham Lincoln episode underscores a central paradox of contemporary geopolitics. Stability is pursued through displays of strength, but those same displays increase the frequency of close military interactions. The balance between deterrence and escalation now depends not only on hardware superiority, but on communication, discipline, and mutual understanding of thresholds. In crowded skies and narrow seas, even a single drone can become a strategic event. Stay informed, stay critical, and keep watching the developments with us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others so you never miss important global defense.